Britt, and this is a special 30A edition of The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on the Emerald Coast. So don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
We have a fabulous ground floor Gulf front unit to show off over at the Inn at Blue Mountain Beach. Beautiful, cozy little low density building off on the western end of 30A. You'll notice it's had a $1.6 million facelift. This building has undergone a lot of renovations. You'll notice brand new furniture throughout the atrium, some resurfacing of the pool, the decking, lots of extra parking spaces, has a little grill area, everything you need. One of the things I love about this unit is you can get to the beach in just a minute, walking out on your private patio, over to the community pool and onto the beach. You've got a turnkey, beautifully furnished unit, coastal, chic. You've got stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, lots of space throughout this 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Also has a bunk room to help you actualize greater vacation rental income. You can use this for your private beach getaway and enjoy all that 30A has to offer. The shops, the restaurants, get your ice cream over at Blue Mountain Creamery just down the row, or check out one of my favorite health food stores on 30A for the Health of It. There's so much to do on this end of 30A. You'll absolutely love this gorgeous Gulf front unit. Again, from the patio to the pool, you're right there. Reach out to us for vacation rental numbers or just to learn more about this beautiful unit with private deeded beach access. This ground floor unit, it's a 3-3, great opportunity for someone in that 1.4 price range. If you want to see more about this unit, give us a call or check out the listing details below. Click on the link, see more information and more photos. And before you go, don't forget to ring that bell. Make sure you subscribe to our channel at thebeachshow.com.